friends, welcome to a new week. I hope you're enjoying the book of Mice and Men. It's one of my favorites, and we are almost done with it, really. We only have 3 chapters left, and so you're going to be reading those 3 chapters this week. On Monday, please read chapter 4. On Tuesday, you answer questions for chapter 4 in your study guide. And then there's a discussion on Schoology that you're going to need to complete by Tuesday. So please make sure that you go into Schoology under week 14 and you complete the Of Mice and Men discussion that's there. Wednesday and Thursday, you're just going to be continuing to read, work on your study guide. So read chapters 5 and chapter 6 is the last chapter. On Friday, work on finishing up your study guide. If you have any questions about your study guide, you can always ask me. I really want you to watch this video too. It's not very long, but it explains how Of Mice and Men is a microcosm, and it'll also give you a little bit more information about the book, some things that'll be helpful for the test. So watch this video by Friday. The final test on Of Mice and Men is going to be Tuesday. So let's say that you don't finish reading all these chapters this week. You still have the weekend to work on finishing your chapters, finishing the study guide, because the test is not till Tuesday. Definitely have to have the study guide done by Tuesday. It's due on Tuesday. The final Of Mice and Men test is on Tuesday. So we'll review a little bit on Monday and we'll take the test Tuesday. Basically work on finishing the book this week, finishing your study guide, and whatever questions that you have for me, you can talk to me about in Google Meet. You can email me. I hope you're doing well. Please try not to get behind. We're almost to Christmas break, so stay focused on reading and getting your stuff done, and you can do it. If you need anything, reach out, okay? Have a really great week. Thanks for listening.